Delhi government is all set to introduce a new Saheli Pink Smart Card for the daily bus commuters of Delhi for the women and transgenders. But it will replace the current pink ticket system which used to provide free bus service to the women of Delhi. But now this pink Saheli card will only be available for the women residing in Delhi. I have currently with me few women who are the daily commuters of buses here in Delhi, and I will be asking to them how this will concern them. Hello ma'am, what is your name?
My name is Ankita.
And what do you think about this new move by the Delhi government?
Actually, when I first heard about this thing, I was not really appreciating this initiative because me as a daily commuter in Delhi, and there are a lot of students who come up from outside and they stay over here. And now when about these passes are not gonna help the outside commuters who are from outside from Delhi. So it's like it should be some complimentary that either voter IDs or PAN cards could be issued, or some passes, daily passes like working women passes could be generated so that it could help other ladies as well. So I guess it's not a good initiative for all the women who stay in Delhi.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We have other women here as well. Ma'am, what is your name?
Khanan.
Kanan. And ma'am, what do you think about this initiative? How you buses used to help you for your daily commute?
So for a day, on a daily basis, and when you calculate it on a monthly basis, it saves a lot, And being a person outside from Delhi, and it's been so helpful till now. But currently, I don't find it so much encouraging, because as a women, it helps us save, and for women, saving is very, a special thing. We want to save everywhere, anywhere, and that's why. But this thing is very discouraging for us. Now we have to look for some other option, like going from the metro or something else, like this.
Which is costly.
Yeah, this is much costlier, and then we have to pay for the bus. And being a resident outside from Delhi is very,
Difficult.
yeah, it's difficult to be here and spend your life on it. Here, this is very tough.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, what is your name and what are your opinion on it?
Hi, my name is Harpreet Kaur, and see, everything has its own perception, and there are some pros and cons for every situation. So if I talk about my perception, I believe it is going to be a good initiative, because if I talk about the buses being into people are everybody, we can see that all the women are rushing towards the free buses, and they are just making the bus crowded, and because of this the snatches are also increasing day by day. So I have seen personally in the buses that people are doing being there is a marshal in the bus, still people are just pushing here and there, and they are doing some misbehaves with the females, and they are doing snatching, they are just doing the throps as well, they are taking the phones out. So I believe the crowd can become lesser after doing this, and yes, so the Delhi buses are having minimal prices for the tickets. So I'm think it is going to be a good initiative from the Delhi government. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So you heard the women. They are saying that some are saying that it is a good initiative. It will, lessen the crowd in the buses. Also, some women who come to Delhi for earning, for studying, they are raising concern that this is going to not be very friendly to their pockets. I am Ruchika Srivastava with camera person Rahul for News 9.